Hi everyone, welcome to my new video, and today going to show you how to set up APN on our Android device on the Airtel latest new 5G APN settings 2023, but work for all networks. Quick step to setting up our smartphone APN for mobile data access. Let's get started. Go to the settings app on our Android device. Click on SIM card and mobile network. Select our Airtel Sim Card. Click on access point name. Click on the add or plus button to add a new APN. Enter APN settings, tap the name field name. Guys, capital letter and small letter very important. Follow the step by steps. Name. Name Airtel space mobile, Airtel A capital letter space mobile M capital letter, tap OK. APN internet small letter not space, tap OK. Proxy not set, port not set, username. Username mobile small letter @internet APN small letter not space, tap OK. Password not set, scroll down. Server www.google.com small letter not space, tap OK. MMSC not set, MMS proxy not set, MMS port not set, scroll down. MCC not set, MNC not set, authentication type. Fourth option, tap or chap select. APN type not set, APN protocol. Third option, IPv4/IPv6 select, APN roaming protocol. Third option, IPv4/IPv6 select. Scroll down. Important settings, BRR, unspecified untick, LTE, HSPAP, HSPA, HSUPA, HSDPA, UMTS, EDGE and GPRS. Tap OK. Tap the more icon. Tap save. Airtel mobile new APN save. Select Airtel mobile new APN. Click the return home button. Select a new one option. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for 5 seconds. Turn airplane mode off. Option 2. Save this setting and restart our phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, subscribe to share it with our family and friend.